a retired top military commander has ignited fierce national debate after declaring that Zimbabwe's ruling party is inseparable from the armed struggle that created the nation, and warning that the military will not stand by if constitutional order is threatened. Sarapena mashiko munanyika achinzi Zimbabwe see explosive warning. Army built the party and will block power grip plot. That was subscribe or like out on the bell icon. Tipina about Ruth Mbengirachiti. In a strongly worded statement, retired Lieutenant General Wistus Kokima-Branka argued that ZANU-PF is not merely a political organization, but a liberation movement forged through armed conflicts. According to him, the roots of the party lie directly in the sacrifices of fighters from Zimbabwe Defense Forces and its predecessor forces, who battled in the liberation war that led to independence. He insisted that the military did not emerge from the party, but rather the party emerged from the military tradition of struggle, discipline, and sacrifice. The legacy says cannot be rewritten, or politically manipulated. Turning to current tensions, Mabranka sharply criticized what he described as a coordinated effort referred to Escape 3, which claims is designed to block Vice President Kosana Chiwenga from ascending to the presidency. He dismissed the initiative as a political maneuver driven by elites seeking to preserve influence and access to state resources. Citing Section 212 of Zimbabwe Constitution, the retired general stressed that the military has a binding duty to defend the constitution, protect citizens, and safeguard national interests. He warned that ongoing political and legal developments, ranging from parliamentary actions to court processes, are being closely monitored by the armed forces. Mabranka further argued that institutional memory within the military cannot be erased through leadership changes or restructuring, and suggested that any attempt to undermine the constitutional framework would provoke a decisive response. He concluded with a stark message: efforts to reshape the political landscape through what he viewed as constitutional means will ultimately fail, insisting that the legacy of the liberation struggle and the forces behind it remains a powerful and enduring force in Zimbabwe's future. Toma developments are kuda pangwa inoi, warnings are kupiwa kuzvikanada pina comment section menu zvafuura aimwe kuti kudipa musoro pechitiko ichi. Don't subscribe or like, chit on the